to get slayed any harder. Okay. Hi, you guys. No, that was way too full of myself. I'm gonna show you guys how to get flawless foundation in a snap. Boom! Insert after video footage results here. I'm just kidding. No, in a snap. So I'll show you guys how I do my foundation, how I've been deceiving my husband for so many years. He still thinks I have flawless skin. So the first thing I like to do is get my hair on my face. If you know where some cute like things to put on my head can be found, insert it in the comments down below, because I would love to have something to like get my hair on my face that's like hella cute, like some butterfly clips or something. Totally 90s. I'm old. First of all, I like to start off with a nice moisturized face, and I already pre-moisturized earlier before I started this video, like hella earlier. Then I'm gonna go ahead and prime my skin. I have been using Mana stuff. I'm just gonna use like a little glob of that. Preferably in the spot that I need a little bit more tender loving and caring. So basically, like, I'll put it all over my whole body. Oh my god, do you see what it just freaking did? I didn't even realize this was, whoa, me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so if you're curious if Monistat works, oh yeah, it does. Look at my forehead, look at my chin, look at my, oh my gosh, let's watch this one go away. Okay, shrink this part of the video down and make it a shareable Facebook video because this is insane. Anyways, I'll be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. It looks like this. You can get it at Walmart, Walgreens, or whatever though. And I use mine in the shade Mahogany. I really like this for the winter time because it leaves a nice dewy finish. Plus, there's no pumping. Oh, literally in my life right now. And I'm just kidding. And I just feel like it's just more convenient to like slide your makeup on as if you were making a sandwich. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is the mayonnaise of your life. And before you say, this was such a cute shirt. Beauty is pain, and a lot of laundry detergent and dirty towels. Yo, like, I used to use the beauty blender to put my foundation on, but now I use a brush. Oh my god, I just realized something. I used Wet n Wild foundation, and I'm using a Wet n Wild brush to apply it. Here comes the bride. And then when you want to get really crazy, you really want to look wild, you just go in them big circles, son. Girls walk in on you in the bathroom doing this with your foundation, and they're like, yo, she gotta be an MUA. I'm just gonna give you a sneak peek at the sponge because she's not camera ready. But it's a Real Technique sponge. It's really tiny like this. Look, boop, there she is. Let's use Toffee first. It looks like this. Ellie Girl Holla Holla. You can catch this at your beauty supply store. I think like at Walmart. You can catch this at Ulta, but I just find that Ulta is a little bit more expensive than if you were just to go to the Trap House and get you some. So keep that in mind. So we're gonna draw some little chicken feet over here, some reptars. See them? Or arrows that say, hey, conceal here. You're gonna do that. Then you're gonna do a little exclamation mark for, hey! That's a nose. Right there. Do you see it? Then a little U, that stands for you know you like that sharp ass top lip. Let's go down here. Let's do a heart, because everybody loves to walk by a video where your concealer looks like a shape of something. It makes you happy. Okay, my heart turned into some nuts. It's still cute. Alright, and then you're going to do a cell phone data bar on your forehead, kind of like this. Can you hear me now? Good. Now, I'm going to use another concealer in partnership with this one. It is the LA Girl Pro. I should have took off. Okay. Maybe I can cover it up. In the shade Yellow. It's just yellow. Yellow. And I use this. Whoa, now. Take it easy. It's a lot. That was a lot. You see how much that was trying to ruin my life there. I just used this in a couple of the more concentrated areas. Like over here in the corner. That's enough. Here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Slow down, pal. This is only our first date. I bounce it on the outsides first because that first shade, it blends out really, really sheer and nice. Also why I use two, because this is not bright enough for me, like in general, for concealer. I need to look like Casper, just like farted on my under eye. I'm not playing these games. Alright, so now we're just going to blend in that yellow stuff. I already started, as you could tell. just gonna make sure I'm pressing it really close to the side of the nose, and that's what's gonna give you that super sharp looking, like you just got Dr. 90210 like nose job looking thing. Time to set, bitch. No, I'm just kidding. Don't call yourself that. Unless you truly and honestly feel that way about yourself, then I can't help you with that. Let's just use the same one. Make sure she's like hella wet to the point where she's like dripping. Ooh, girl, she's ready. And I'll be using my Airspun, the orange kind, I don't know, to set. So this is what we're gonna do. Make sure the section that you're gonna use on your face is completely evenly coated. Otherwise it's gonna look really streaky. So you see, she's like freaking ready. Make sure she's a little dabbed off. Go ahead and press that into your bottom under eyes. Let's get that side of that nose, remember? Focusing all mine on the side of the nose. Unless you just have a naturally like contoured, like sharp ass nose, then you ain't gotta do all that. Yeah, I know that. But for me, I gotta do all that. Look at that. See how like now my setting powder is not like hella obnoxious, but she's like actually bearable now. And if I keep patting, she gets even better. Hey, we're almost there. We're almost there, but not quite. All right, so now we're gonna use my secret ingredients: sugar, spice, and everything nice. And Professor Oaks added L'Oreal True Matte Super Blendable Powder, and I use mine in the shade Soft Sable. I use this fat brush that I got from my Morphe Me. Take that powder, and I'm only gonna buff it on the outer corners of where I put my concealer. So right there, like a lady. You wanna dab it on there like a queen. Woo! We are contouring, baby. We contouring. I'm gonna use last month's set from the Morphe Me subscription. Look how sick I am. I still keep it in the plastic because they're so pretty. Look. I'm gonna use this little brush they gave me in there. It's like a little contour brush. I don't know if it's a contour brush, but I'm using it as a contour brush because I like brushes like this to contour. And I'll be using my Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1. Hey, I hope I didn't break one. Because I used to contour with like blacks and browns and grays, but I find myself looking a little bit more natural if I contour with dark burgundy. So that's what we're going to do now. We're just going to take a little bit like that. Barely. We're going to go straight across like this. It's really intense. I'm going to dab the final bit in that powder and just deepen up just the edges because I want it a little bit sharper today. Just the edges. Let's just flick that up. Always go in, not out. Out is going to give you a blotchy, wider cheek, and that's not what you want. You want that sharp one. Alright, anyways, I have to take a peach toned powder, so I've been using this one from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit Volume Dark Deep. I use this little peach shade right here. That peach color, and I'm just going to use that right here on the apples of my cheek where I would put blush, just to blend in and make that contour look a little bit more realistic. I put it right in between the two shades that I've used, and now you can't tell like I just did a bunch of stuff. What I like to do before I finish my foundation off, I like to set my face. Today I'll be using my Morphe setting spray. It's kind of empty. I like to overset my face. If you don't have this though, you can use MAC Fix Plus. It does the same thing, or Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, but I just really like the way this one comes out. We'll just, how I like it, natural, you know. And that's about it for my foundation routine. If you guys think that this looks amazing, check out this flawless finish. I think it looks fantastic. If this helped you out in learning how to do your foundation, like if this was flawless for you, simple, please leave a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe if you want to keep following me along this journey on YouTube. If you already aren't, share this video for a friend. A friend out there is in need of knowing how to do their foundation. And I guess I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye!